Good morning, my name is Weber, and today we are troubleshooting yellow flame on a Camp Chef smoke vault model SMV 24S-5, date code TCR. As you can see, we have lots of dirty yellow flame, and the flame is actually not smooth down to the holes on the burner. I have contacted the Camp Chef technical support team, and they've sent me through several troubleshooting steps. I've removed the gas, so we're in no danger of having a fire. They've asked me to clean the burner and make sure all the holes are clear. I've done that by using compressed air and making sure that everything's nice and clear all the way around. They've asked me to make sure that the flame screens, the carburetor screens, are clear and of any obstructions, to verify that everything is in a nice straight line and nothing is kinked or crooked. I've also blown compressed air through this gas fitting inlet, and while operating the knob to make sure that fluid, gas, air can flow from the inlet through the body and all the way out appropriately to the burner. After completing all those troubleshooting steps, Camp Chef has agreed to send me a complete new burner unit, and I'm expecting that shortly. In the meantime, though, I'm going to go off script a little bit and see if we can't diagnose this a little bit further. There are 1, 2, 3 screws that are held in place with a split washer and bolt or nut. We're going to remove those and remove this front assembly. Okay, we have removed the 3 screws. Now the front assembly is clear. In the back, this little brass piece is called an orifice, and it has a very small hole in it to control how much propane can flow through this device into our carburetor, and then help control how much gas comes out here to the burner. Do not do this on your own. I am not a trained professional. I'm experimenting. I am outside and I am taking risks. This is not endorsed by anybody. Now that we have this removed, and focus, you may or may not be able to see that this nozzle says 1.25 on the bottom. I picked up this kit from Amazon, and we're gonna try a number 10 and see what happens. Here we are with the number 10, clearly not better. Here we are with a number 4. Here we are with a number 4, beautiful blue, but probably not enough output to get where we want to go. So we'll start stepping up. This is a number 7. That is full flame. And it's a very low flame. A little bit of yellow there in the middle, but certainly less. I think I'm going to run that. Like I said, this is a number 7. So I've gone from a 1.25 to a 1. That was the original from Camp Chef. That's visible. Appeared to be a 1.25. So we're going to reassemble, see how we do. Thank you.